Hello and welcome to Angie's Tasty Foodies. Let's do this! Put 50 grams of sugar into a large mixing bowl. Add 4 grams of salt. Add 1/4 cup of melted butter. Then roughly mix them. Crack 1 large egg. Put in 1 cup of milk at room temperature, that's around 250 ml. Add 2 1/4 teaspoon of instant yeast. Then roughly combine them together. Now add 3 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, that's about 400 grams. Then try to combine them together using the spatula. Knead the mixture until it reaches consistency. Grease a bowl and put in the dough. Then cover the dough and set it aside for 40 to 60 minutes or until it doubles its size. Then knead it again for about 3 to 5 minutes over a clean and floured table. Prepare your bread baking pan greased with butter. Roll the dough and form a rectangular shape. It should be about 1/4 inches thick. Then brush over it with melted butter. After brushing it with butter, roll it into a tube about 10 inches long. Cut it this way to make 1½ inches thick each. Then place each slices like this. Cover it again and set aside for 40 to 60 minutes. Optionally, you may brush it with egg wash. Finally, bake it at 170 degrees centigrade for about 50 minutes. Please don't forget to check it from time to time. Now here it is. It looks so shiny, fragrant, and so yummy. Please don't forget to share, like, or comment below. Also, subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next one.